There's so much rubbish.
I know. What should we do?
We should ask somebody to clean it up.
Somebody? I think we students should clean it up. It's our rubbish.
You're right. We can ask all our friends to help us.
Look and listen.
What should we do about the rubbish?
We should clean it up.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. Look at the girl. What should she do? That's right. She should pick it up and put it in the bin. Look at the boy. What should he do? That's right. He should give it some water. What should you do to help at home? Well done!
Yay!
Diggory bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Diggory bones. He works under rocks and stones.
That wasn't very clever, Brutus.
Run and get help, Dad!
I don't think you should leave your daughter down here with a snake, Bones. With two snakes, Brutus. One's got spots and stripes, but the other hasn't.
Now, Bones, you should turn on the computer for the instructions to get out of here.
You need the instructions to get out of here, but I don't. You should move slowly and carefully, Emily. This ladder's old and it isn't very strong.
Okay, Dad.
Wait for me!
The famous butterfly room of Queen Hetepheres. Most people thought this was only a story.
There are thousands of butterflies.
Oh!
They're all orange and black striped with white spots on their wings.
You shouldn't touch anything, Brutus.
Striped insects!
They're the young butterflies. Here are their parents to protect them.